My name is Kevin Comerford, and I'm the owner of Service Champions in Northern California. We're a residential heating and air conditioning company, and we also specialize in home performance. We service the greater Bay Area from San Jose all the way up to Sacramento. So I learned the business from my parents and the values that we use here at Service Champions, which really are an offshoot from all the learnings and the teachings that they gave me. The difference at Service Champions is our people and the culture that we have developed here. I believe that if I take care of the team members, they're going to take care of the customer, and that's worked really, really well for us since the day that we started. Typical day here is a lot of high energy. I go around and visit with everybody and high five and see how everybody's doing. We invest so much time and energy on technical skills and communication skills for our internal staff so that then they can be equipped to serve the clients. It's very gratifying when we're able to reduce their energy bills and also provide them the peace of mind that as energy prices continue to go up, the HVAC system that they invested in is going to keep those utility costs down. So that's a great thing, not only for them, but also the environment. We're happy to partner with Renovate America that has the Hero program and also has Vengy. It's been a great thing for our company. It's been a great thing for our clients because clients can gain the entire package of services and be totally comfortable in their home, because everybody deserves to live in a comfortable and safe home.